The President, Vice President and Prime Minister have greeted people on the occasion of the festival of Raksha Bandhan. Social distancing marked the festivities, but it did not dampen the spirit. Take a look at our report.
Raksha Bandhan is a festival that celebrates the eternal bond between brothers and sisters. Celebrated on the full moon of Shravan, this festival is dedicated to the unbreakable brother-sister bond. The sister ties Rakhi to her brother, and in return he promises to protect her forever. The sister also prays for the long life of her brother. This year, due to the COVID-19 pandemic, a large gathering was not witnessed. But this did not dampen the spirit of the festival. People across the country celebrated the festivals with religious fervor and enthusiasm. Some followed all COVID safety protocols and tied Rakhi, and some did a virtual celebration, which is a new normal. People across the country celebrated the festival in different ways. It was after so long, people went to the bazaars and shopped Rakhi's sweets. At many places, there was some relaxation in lockdown rules. Shops all over the markets were adorned with Rakhi's sweets, dry fruits, gifts. The Uttar Pradesh government provided free transportation for women on this occasion. The President, Vice President, Prime Minister all extended their greetings to the nation. President Ramnath Kovind in a tweet said, "Greetings on Raksha Bandhan. Rakhi is the sacred thread of love and trust that connects sisters with brothers in a special bond. On this day, let us reiterate our commitment to secure the honor and dignity of women." President Ramnath Kovind celebrated the auspicious occasion at the Rashtrapati Bhavan with the nurses of the Trained Nurses Association of India, Military Nursing Service and President's Estate Clinic. The President appreciated the role of nurses as saviors in the fight against COVID-19 and said that in the time of this pandemic, the sisters are protecting their brothers. During the celebrations, it was ensured that all COVID-19 security protocols were being followed.
भाई बहन के एक प्यार का प्रतीक है और उसके पीछे भाव ये होता है कि यदि बहन कभी मुश्किल में आती है तो भाई उसकी रक्षा करेगा, एक उसके पीछे भाव ये है। लेकिन आज के जो कोरोना का माहौल चल रहा है और उसमें आप लोगों जैसे जो कोरोना वॉरियर्स हैं, फ्रंट रनर्स हैं, उनको मैं देखता हूँ आज आपकी भूमिका बढ़ गई है। आज तो वो स्थिति हो गई है कि आप जैसी बहनें भाइयों से रक्षा नहीं मांग रही हैं, बल्कि भाई जो हैं आप सब लोगों से रक्षा के लिए हाथ बढ़ा रहे हैं। और इसलिए आपको बहुत बहुत मैं मुबारकबाद और बधाई देता हूँ इस जो आपकी भूमिका चेंज हुई है और उसको आप लोग बखूबी से निभा रहे हैं। ये सबसे बड़ी।
Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu also extended his greetings. He in a tweet said, "On this auspicious occasion, let us also resolve to uphold the dignity and respect traditionally accorded to women in our society and empower women to reach their true potential. May this festival usher in greater peace, harmony and prosperity in the country." Raksha Bandhan. Prime Minister Narendra Modi also wished the nation on the auspicious occasion. In his tweet message, he said, "Many wishes to all the countrymen on the holy festival of Raksha Bandhan." Legendary singer Lata Mangeshkar wished PM Modi on the special occasion and also shared a video on Twitter. Replying to her tweet, PM Modi wrote, "Dear Lata Didi, on this auspicious occasion of Raksha Bandhan, this soulful message of yours will be a source of inspiration and energy. With the blessings of crores of mothers and sisters, our country will definitely touch new heights and achieve new successes. May you be healthy and live long. This is my prayer to God." Home Minister Amit Shah also extended his wishes to the people. In Odisha, sand artist Sudarshan Patnaik made a beautiful artwork dedicated to COVID warriors on the seashore. With all COVID protocols in place, people celebrated Raksha Bandhan and made sure that the pandemic does not dampen the spirit. Newsnight Desk, DD India.